Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by assembling the kit and verifying components so there are no surprises mid-pour. Mix the alginate with water at room temperature using the exact ratio. This controls working time and strength. Once mixed to a smooth, lump-free paste, position the baby's limb and have a second adult steady the child. Comfort and minimal movement matter. Gently apply a thin barrier like petroleum to hair if needed. Then lower the limb slowly into the alginate until properly seated. Once the alginate has set and you feel slight resistance, prepare the plaster quickly because it has limited pot life. Mix the plaster to a pourable batter and pour in a steady stream into the alginate cavity. This reduces trapped air. While pouring, tap or gently vibrate the mold to release bubbles. Then form the rigid support shell, either the kit's shell or plaster bandages, around the alginate to keep shape. Make sure seams align and remove excess immediately. You release the alginate by flexing the edges and easing the limb out. Comfort the baby right away. Rinse the alginate mold and inspect for defects, then pour the final plaster into the clean mold and allow it to cure fully, typically 24 hours for maximum strength. Once set, separate and trim edges, sand rough spots, and seal if desired. If you find air bubbles or a tear, patch small flaws with fast-set plaster or plan a targeted recast for large.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.